What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2019 Range Rover Velar, and well, we have a mysterious oil leak on this car, and I'll give you some explanation. So I was checking underneath the car. Well, actually everything started when the car was asking for oil, because it shows you if it's low on oil. So I went under the car and I saw the cover at the bottom all full of oil. Let me just go really quick. So as you can see, this is the cover that it's under the car, and well, this thing was full of oil right here. So we cleaned it and there's no more oil, but I'm gonna go under the car and I'm gonna show you actually the oil leak for this car. All right, so right now we are under the car, and well, as you can see, the oil, it's been coming from the top, from right there. So we see the oil here dripping, as you can see here. This is all the oil, and well, it's coming all the way from that plunge or seal, as you can see right there. That's the oil leak, and this problem is also on the diesel version too. So that's actually just a plug with a seal on it, and well, this causing this whole mess. As you can see, it has the oil. It's been leaking for a while, as you can see. So we're gonna clean this up and we're gonna seal that. Hopefully I can find the seal. If not, then I'm just gonna put glue around it, and well, hopefully we'll fix the whole leaking problem on this car. But first, cleaning. All right, so as you can see, I already have that thing out. As you can see, just pop it open, and well, what I use this one just to pry it out, and as you can see, it's already out. I'm gonna reach it with my hand and take it out, and there we go. So this is basically the whole thing, as you can see. So we're gonna clean this, and I'm gonna go and search for a seal for this thing. Hopefully we can find it and put it back together, and well, hope it will be actually fixed. So I haven't seen anyone posting a video about this car having this mysterious leak, but here it is. Hopefully I can find the seal and seal it, because they're gonna need the car today. Alright, so I couldn't find a seal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue in there, and well, this thing has been working for years for me, and I just see it really dumb why they put, well, maybe they put it there for a reason, but why put a plug on the cylinder head? Well, I'm not sure if it's the cylinder head, but it's behind the engine, so it's like right there. But anyways, just gonna put this in there. Like I said, clean everything. I'm gonna turn on the truck for a little bit after letting it dry for about 2 or 3 hours, and yep, this will be pretty much the end of the video. If you have this problem, then probably you might want to order the part. So let me just give you that number right there. You can see it, maybe on the other side. That's the part number. I hope you can see it. If not, I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can get this plug, because I already found it, but it's coming from Europe, and well, lucky people from Europe, because they can get it right away. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. You fix out.